A day after the midterms, Carl, and we have a triple-digit rally on Wall Street. The Dow up about 221 points, just about 100 points away from breaking 26,000. If we look at the S&P, we actually saw a big pop in the S&P E-mini futures overnight, just around 3 a.m. as those midterm results trickled in. Investors asking what a divided Congress means for key areas of policy. Analysts say it likely reduces the chance of a further tax break, and that's why the dollar is trading down right now, but that is lending support to emerging market assets. Gold and WTI crude, although still on track for its fourth weekly loss. Now, with Democrats taking control of the House, Representative Maxine Waters is likely the next chair of the Financial Services Committee. That's getting a lot of talk here on the floor. Cowen & Co. analysts say that would be a negative for the big banks. Analyst Jared Seberg expects significant scrutiny of the biggest banks, with CEOs and regulators called often to testify. Though, keep in mind, this would likely be limited as Waters cannot advance partisan bills through the GOP-controlled Senate. Financial names moving higher today. Another sector moving on midterms, pot stocks flying high today, rallying big time after both Michigan and North Dakota voted to legalize the recreational use of marijuana. Names like Tilray, Canopy, Aurora Cannabis, all sharply higher in today's trade. Now, beyond politics, key earnings reports, Zillow down now 25% on very weak Q4 guidance. Michael Kors seeing weaker sales at its retail stores in Europe during its fiscal second quarter. And a concerning report from Caterpillar blaming the trade war for a rise in raw material costs. Of course, we've heard that from a number of companies this earnings season. Tonight, the focus will turn to online travel from TripAdvisor and Qualcomm plus Square reporting earnings. So a day after the midterms, you're seeing that focus quickly turn back to earnings and the Fed. Carl, back to you.